Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can get live wallpapers or animated wallpapers on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In order to get live wallpaper, we're gonna use TikTok. If you don't have TikTok yet, then you can download it from the Google Play Store. There we go. Let's install it. And after that, we're gonna open it. There we go. Now, of course, as I do this for the first time, I need to set my birthday. So let's switch the year, press continue, and green continue. We don't have to allow notifications. Let's skip, and let's press start watching. All right, now I think we can close this. Oh, no, we have to choose. Let's say generic ads. There we go. And now what we need to do in order to find wallpapers over here, we can type live wallpapers in the search. There we go. And over here we can try to find something really cool. Let's say we're gonna choose this one. And now in order to set it as a wallpaper, we need to press this share button over here. Now here we need to search for set as wallpaper. I have this option over here. So let's press it. And then we need to press set as wallpaper. There we go. And one more time, set wallpaper. And we can choose home screen or home screen and lock screen. I'm gonna choose only home screen this time. Now let's close it, and there we go, we have live wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.